In this short video, I'm going to show you how to remove chat option from Wix Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and head over to the mobile version of your Wix website. Now, this is what the chat option looks like in my case. In your case, it might look a little bit different, but when you go to remove it, there is no way to do that. You can't backspace and delete it. You can't hide it. It's just there permanently. And the only thing you can do is change the actions to link to Facebook, to ring somebody, or whatever it might be. Now, to fully get rid of this, what you need to do is head over to the desktop version of your Wix website, believe it or not. And the reason for that is because it is actually an application and it's not a integrated feature within Wix itself. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the left hand side of the screen once you're on the desktop version of your site, and then you'll see the side menu right here. From here, I want you to click on Add Apps right here on this button. And then if I just move my camera a little bit to the top here, go to Manage Applications at the bottom right here. Once you've done that, I want you to scroll down until we find Wix Chat, which is right here. And then let's go ahead and delete it by pressing these three buttons right here and then delete. And then from here, you can choose the reason why you want to delete the app. Doesn't really matter. Just choose any reason and then delete it. And just like that, Wix Chat has been removed. And if you go ahead and preview the mobile version of the site, you will see that it is no longer there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to remove chat option on Wix Mobile. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.